where my Tn term is. So as I can see, this is not an AP, so I can't find a summation. Either it's a GP, we can't find a summation. So what do we do is, but we know that this is a successive terms are actually in GP, as in like the difference. So this is 2, this is 4, this is 6, and so on and so forth. So what we do is that we write this S as again down, but we shift this by 1. So we write 1 down over here, 3 down over here, 7 down over here, and then so same way, Tn minus 1 will be coming over here and Tn will be coming over here, the last term. And what we do is we subtract it. If we subtract, what we get is minus, 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 and all that. And this will become 0, this will become 1, and this will become plus 2, this will become 4, this will become 8, and so on and so forth. And this will become, so this is from here to here, there will be like n minus 1 term, because from here to here n terms are there. This from here to here there will be n minus 1 terms, and then there will be minus Tn over here. So what we're trying to find out is the nth term here. So we will send Tn on the other side. So Tn will be on this side. We'll keep this aside. Then this will become 2 plus 4 plus 8. And this is going up to n minus 1 term. And in the next step, so this is 2, 4, 8, and then all that is happening. This is what is happening, not 6. 15, 7, parts of 15. Okay. So this is a GP, so it's much easier. So here my first term is A into R to the power n minus 1. So 2 to the power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. So this is what is my summation. So this is coming out to be 1 plus 2 to the power n, because I multiply this, minus 2, and this is coming as 2 to the power n plus minus 1. So this is what is my general term which is coming out to be. So we will check whether this is correct or not by putting the values. So if I put n equals to 1, I should get my first term. So this is 2 to the power 1 minus 1, which is giving me 1. I put 2, then I get 2 to the power 2 minus 1, which I get as 3. Then I put 3, I get 2 to the power 4 minus 1, 7. Not to the power 4, 2 to the power 3. So I think this general term is true. So what I'm supposed to find is sigma Tn, n equals to 1 to n. This is what I'm supposed to find. So all it means is that I need to find sigma 2 to the power n minus 1 and n equals to 1 to n. This is what I'm supposed to find. And then from here on, I can split it and say that this is 2 to the power n minus sigma 1 I need to find. And this is n equals to 1 to n. And this is n equals to 1 to n. So if I write it again, this will, I mean, you can see this is actually again a GP, which is 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus, and going up to n terms, plus 2 to the power n, you can say. And this is nothing but minus n itself. So I know this is a GP whose summation would be 2 into 2 to the power n minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 minus n. So this will be actually 2 to the power n minus 2 minus n. So this is what will be your summation. This is what will be your summation.